What's up guys, Christopher here from Cars Unlocked. Today I'm with the Mercedes-Benz E-450 Cabriolet. Let's go for a drive. So let's start it up here and check everything out and talk about a little bit of what's going on here. The seat is a 14-way adjustable driver's seat, so a ton of positions. There's a heated seat, there's an air condition for the front passengers, and then there's also this scarf heating as well. So it will blow hot air right on the back of your neck. Perfect for days like today. It's only 8 degrees out here and we're driving with the top down. Quite a few things that I see information-wise, two 12.3 very large infotainment systems, and there's a few ways you can control those systems. You can use obviously the two steering mounted controls here, the left one's for your left screen and the right one's for the right screen, and I can navigate through that way. I can do things like my radio, I can do my home menu here, and then here is my gauge clusters for my speedometer, my tachometer. This is fully customizable. There's over 54 different customizable options for your radio, your lighting that you can put in here. And you can also control it with the mouse pad here as well, or you can use the dial, which is below the mouse pad. So a couple different options. You'll find which one you like best. But I gotta talk about this kind of like elmwood trim here. The outside of the Cabriolet looks phenomenal, but the colors just look great on the inside here with this burgundy and this kind of lighter toned wood trim. Under the hood, we're talking about a 3-liter bi-turbo V6. So it's putting out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds-feet of torque. This is equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This specific one is the 4MATIC all-wheel drive. You can choose to go with a rear-wheel drive if you want. A ton of fun to drive here. Lots of power behind it. It is also a very smooth ride. Like when you hit bumps, it's very smooth, very kind of soft, the suspension. There's a few different drive modes that you can adjust that really help customize it to how you want to drive, but very comfortable wheel. And then you can use the paddle shifters if you want to shift manually. The foot activated liftgate works very well on the trunk. You just need to kick under the license plate and it's going to automatically open pretty quick. And then you do have a decently sized trunk. What I also like is they put this divider in here. That's basically so you know if you're going to put the top down how much space you have, because the top is going to fold down into this back half of the trunk. So it's nice that you know and have that space. So if you want to put the top down, it is actually a really durable soft top that I can see, and it actually goes up and down very fast. As you can see here, it's going to take about 20 seconds. There we go, we've started it now. That's what they advertise, but let's keep time on it here and see how quickly it goes. Pretty quick, and then it folds down and tucks away there. Not bad. You also get the heads-up display, which is right in front of me here, and really you can only see it if you're sitting here, but it's gonna show you like your digital speedometer. You're gonna see your compass as well on the heads-up display. So a lot of information, a lot of technology in this Cabriolet. So there's 2 bucket seats in the back. There's actually quite a bit of space for a convertible, and they're all electric, so they just slide forward nice and easy with the lever here. And then I can get in, and then I can slide it back. Now there is quite a bit of room back here for a guy like me. 2 adults, you should have no problem. Obviously it's gonna come with all the necessary technology. You get the Android Auto, the Apple CarPlay. Obviously you get the push button start with the keyless entry, remote start. We mentioned the trunk as well. You get the foot activated liftgate. And then you'll have all the safety tech like your adaptive cruise control, your lane keeping assistant, your blind spot monitor, emergency braking. There's a ton of features. There's also active reversing. So A lot of technology in this thing, and you can customize it. That's the best thing about it. Everything is customizable here. Once you get into the dash, we should save that for a whole other video. So I gotta talk about this camera. It comes on automatically when you put it in reverse. It pops out of the Mercedes emblem, and look how vivid the display is here as you're backing up. Very high definition camera. You get the bird's eye view as well. And then if I put it in drive, I get the front angle. There's a few different angles that I can adjust here, as you can see, just to make it easier when you're parking in those tight spaces. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Enjoy the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Have a great day.